All right, class, this is example 5 on page 813. Okay, all it is completing the square now with 3 deals instead of 2 like we were doing in chapter 10. Okay, so this is a sphere. We're supposed to figure out where the center is and then what its radius is. And like I said, all we're going to do is just complete the square. So we have the x here. If you remember the rules, parentheses, write down this letter, write down that symbol, half of this number. Okay? And then we're going to square that. So the number I actually put back into the problem is -1 squared, so plus 1. If I add it there, I got to add it to the other side. Okay, and then do the same thing with this one. Put down y, put down plus half of 4 squared 4. All right, lastly, the z, plus, this is minus half of 6, 3 squared is 9. And again, if you notice here, if I FOIL this out, I'll get that. If I FOIL this out, I'll get that. If I FOIL this out, I'll get that. Okay, I got to add up what I have on the other side. 9, 4, 13, 14, minus 8 is 6. Okay, so here's our center. What would I put into for x to make this first thing 0? It'd be a positive 1, or just change the sign. So -2 and 3. Remember, that's what we did in chapter 10. And then the radius is going to be the square root of this number, so square root of 6 is our radius. So this sphere has a center at 1, -2, 3, with a radius of the square root of 6.